Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix there was an error processing your request problem on Uber Eats. Let's get started. The first thing to check is your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is unstable or too slow, try switching to mobile data. And if you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Many times, the error comes from a weak connection. Next, make sure your Uber Eats app is fully updated. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Uber Eats, and if you see an update button, tap it. Once updated, reopen the app and check if the issue is resolved. If updating doesn't help, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, press and hold the Uber Eats icon, then tap the info button. From here, go to storage and tap clear cache. You can also tap force stop to refresh the app completely. Then reopen Uber Eats and see if the error is gone. Those are the three easiest ways to fix there was an error processing your request problem on Uber Eats. Check your connection, update the app, and clear the cache. One of these should get you back to ordering again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other quick fix tutorials.